Hello everybody, this is Hong Long from Hong Long Wuxia. Today I'm out here at Mount Charleston and we're filming the second video in our series Tai Chi 24 Basics. We're going to start the form off pretty much the same as we did last time. The only difference is before we start the opening sequence, I like to take a few practice breaths so that I can get into the rhythm and I can correct any mistakes my posture or I might have with my posture. So from here, breathe in through the nose, or breathe out and out through the mouth. We keep our tongue on the roof of our mouth, right behind our front teeth. As we breathe in, we're going to contract our stomach, our diaphragm. As we breathe out, we're going to expand. Our legs should be up. Our legs should be about shoulder width apart. Now the salute. Breathe in. Breathe out. And if you breathe in, you're going to slowly rise. Your hands are going to rise up to your temple. When they hit your temple, that's when you're going to start sinking down. Your fingers are going to point upwards. And as your hands get down to your waist, your fingers will drop. And from here, we're going to, as we breathe in, we're going to go into holding ball and a cat stance. Then we're going to go into a broken bird. So basically, our right leg and our right foot is going to be pointing out that way, and our left leg and our left toe is going to be pointing out there for the cat stance and holding ball. From here, we're going to shift. This leg isn't going to move. The left leg is going to turn. The toe is going to be pointing that way. Your weight, you're going to have your, the back of your heel is going to be off the ground. You're just going to have your toe on the ground, and your knee is going to buckle in like so. That's the broken bird. So from here, we're going to breathe out, and we're going to step heel first to toe as we part the wild horse's mane. As we move forward and put all of our weight onto our right leg and step up, that's when we're going to start breathing in again. And we're going to get into a cat stance on the other side. And then broken bird, heel to toe, step out. And the left leg, as we bring it up, the heel is going to rise up first and the toe last. Let me get back into the view of the camera here. So from here, we're going to step out, heel first. As the right toes hit the ground, the left heel is going to come up. And then we're going to come into a cat stance over here. Broken bird, step, step, and then we're going to sit back. White crane spreads its wings. All right, so let me go over that one more time. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. And and in, out, and in, and out. All right, let's try a different angle for that. So from here, we're going to breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. Now while we're doing this, we want to make sure that the crown of our head is the highest part of our body. We want to make sure our chin is tucked in, that our hips are tucked in. We're not sticking out. All right, everybody. All right. This is Hong Long, and that was the first 4 sections of the form. Be sure and practice it every day. Go over it slow. Focus on coordinating your breathing with the movements. And as always, if you like the video, hit the button down below. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you share it. And be sure and join us next time. Until then, make sure you keep practicing.